Good morning. Today we'll deal with chemical properties of alkene part 2. आज हम एल्किनों के रासायनिक गुणधर्म भाग 2 के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। हेलोजिनेशन की क्रियाविधि, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हेलोजिनेशन। Addition of halogen to alkene follows ionic mechanism. It can be explained by taking example of addition of bromine to alkene. After this, another hydrogen atom forms a bond with second carbon atom. Since in this mechanism both the hydrogen atoms are added to same side, hence this addition is known as syn addition. The solvent is which is alkene is soluble is used. Generally ethanol, acetic acid and normal hexane is used. Metal catalyst is insoluble in these solvents, hence two phases are formed, solutions and metal catalyst. Reaction occurs when both these phases meet in a heterogeneous reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction is an ionic reaction. So to understand this, it is necessary to know about some basic concept. In an organic reaction, old bond breaks and new bonds are formed. On the basis of bond cleavage, organic reactions are divided into two groups, free radical reaction and ionic reactions. Free radical reaction proceed through homolytic fission of a bond, thus to form free radical. Such reactions have been studied in halogenation of alkanes. In ionic reaction, heterolytic cleavage of the covalent bond takes place and form unstable intermediate carbonium ion or carbene. In most of the reaction, carbonium ion is formed. Detail study about carbonium ion has been done in the previous unit. Electrophilic addition on carbon-carbon double bond. Such of reactions are characteristic properties of alkane. In carbon-carbon double bond of alkene, one is strong sigma bond and another is weak pi bond. Thus, it is expected that one pi bond breaks, two new sigma bonds are formed. As we know that pi electron cloud is above and below the plane, it relatively less tightly bonded with nucleus of atom. Thus, carbon-carbon double bond have nucleophilic property, so electrophilic reagents can easily attack. Electrophilic addition reactions on carbon-carbon double bond takes place in the following two steps. Here we will take example of addition of polar reagent on alkene. Step 1. Formation of carbonium ion. In first step, if polar reagent comes to alkene, then electrophile comes nearer to pi electron cloud of alkene and ultimately electrophile forms a bond with carbon atom and another carbon atom attain positive charge. Formation of bromonium ion. Pi electron cloud of double bond of alkene attack to bromine molecule and polarizes Br-Br bond. As a result, electron of these bonds are transferred towards bromine atom, which is away from pi electron cloud, and bromine atom attains partial negative charge. Hydrolysis of bromine-bromine bond takes place and react with alkenes and forms bromide ion and intermediate bromonium ion. Bromine atom in bromonium ion is attached to an electron pair of double bonded carbon atom of alkene. Formation of addition product from sigma complex ion. Sigma complex formed during first step is attacked by bromide ion on either side and to form vicinal dibromide. This is reaction of halogen with alkene which forms vicinal dihalides. Hydrohalogenation of alkene, that is addition of hydrogen halide. If HX add on alkene, it forms alkyl halide. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is in the following sequence. HI is greater than HBr, which is greater than HCl. When alkene reacts with HX, it forms alkyl halide. Addition of HX to alkene involves following step. It forms when alkene पर HX का एडिशन होगा तो धीमा पद होगा, वो कार्बोनियम आयन का निर्माण पद करेगा और धीमा पद वेग निर्धारित पद है. इट इज अ रेट डिटरमिनिंग स्टेप. स्टेप 2, कार्बोनियम आयन पर न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक करके एल्काइल हैलाइड बनाएगा. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज स्लो स्टेप एंड इट इज रेट डिटरमिनिंग स्टेप. इन दिस alkene obtain H ion from HX and forms carbonium ion. It is highly endothermic reaction and its activation energy is high, hence occur very slowly. In second step, carbonium ion is highly reactive and add halide ion and forms stable alkyl halide. Energy of activation 2 for this step is less and it is exothermic. In symmetrical alkene, only one addition product is formed. In these, hydrogen atom bonded to alkene, then there is no change in the structure of product. एल्कीन पर अगर HBr का योग कराएंगे तो एल्काइल हैलाइड बनेगा. बट इफ HX is added to asymmetrical alkene, then two types of product are formed. For example, the addition of HBr to propene, 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane are formed. But 2-bromopropane is formed relatively in major quantity. तो प्रोपीन पर HBr का योग कराएंगे तो 2-ब्रोमोप्रोपेन बनेगा. मार्कोनिकॉफ नियम के अनुसार ये मेजर प्रोडक्ट होगा, मुख्य उत्पाद होगा और कुछ क्वांटिटी में हमें 1-ब्रोमोप्रोपेन भी प्राप्त होगा. तो इन 1869 रशियन केमिस्ट मार्कोनिकॉफ स्टडीड the product formed during the reaction of HBr or water with propane and proposed a rule for the addition of unsymmetrical reactant HY to unsymmetrical alkene. If HY is added to unsymmetrical alkene, then hydrogen or positive part HY will add to that carbon atom of alkene which has more number of hydrogen atom. Thus, the addition reaction of HBr to propene, then hydrogen atom add to C1 of propene because of 2 hydrogen atom, Br add to C2 of propene, which is according to the Markovnikov rule. Mechanism. Addition of HBr to propene can be explained by the following mechanism. Step 1. In first step, HBr dissociates into H ion and bromide ion. HBr dissociates into H ion and bromide ion. Step 2. Proton adds to propene to form primary and secondary carbonium ion. Secondary carbonium ion is more stable than primary carbonium ion. So 2-degree carbonium ion is formed in major amount. Energy of activation 2 for the formation of 2-degree carbonium ion is less than activation 1. Hence, formation of 1-degree carbonium ion is comparatively less than 2-degree carbonium ion. प्रोपीन पर H प्लस ऐड कराएंगे तो सेकेंडरी कार्बोनियम आयन बनेगा मोर स्टेबल. प्राइमरी कार्बोनियम आयन लेस स्टेबल होता है. कार्बोनियम आयन फॉर्म्ड इन सेकेंड स्टेप रिएक्ट विथ ब्रोमाइड आयन फॉर्म्ड इन फर्स्ट स्टेप टू फॉर्म एडिटिव प्रोडक्ट. Thus, 2-bromopropane is formed in major quantity. 2-degree कार्बोनियम आयन पे ब्रोमाइड आयन अटैक करेगा तो 2-bromopropane मेजर. और अगर 1-degree कार्बोनियम आयन जो कि लेस स्टेबल है उस पर ब्रोमाइड आयन अटैक करेगा तो 1-bromopropane बनेगा जो कि माइनर प्रोडक्ट है. पोटेंशियल एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ रिएक्शन ऑफ HBr विथ प्रोपीन. In this way, 2-methylpropene react with HCl to form only tertiary butyl chloride because 2-methylpropene react with H plus ion to form 3-degree and 1-degree carbonium ion. Since 3 degree carbonamine is more stable than 1 degree carbonamine. Hence, it reacts with chloride ion to form tertiary ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड. देखिए 2 मिथाइल प्रोपीन पर HN ऐड कराया, 1 डिग्री कार्बोनेमाइन और 3 डिग्री कार्बोनेमाइन दो बनेंगे. 1 डिग्री कार्बोनेमाइन लेस स्टेबल होता है, जबकि 3 डिग्री कार्बोनेमाइन मोर स्टेबल होता है. और इस पर अगर क्लोराइड अटैक करेगा तो ये थोड़ा मिसप्रिंट है इसमें. दिस इज टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड, CH3 की जगह Cl होगा. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट chemical properties of alkene part 2. Thank you.